Welcome to week 20. We'll be cruising through Mediterranean this week. The first stop is Spain, and we have Championess Al Ajilo, which is nothing but garlic mushroom. You can do this with shrimp too, so it's garlic shrimp. For that, what we have are these are button mushrooms. So we clean this up. We have a little bit of lemon juice, and we're going to pour the lemon juice over the mushrooms and just mix it together lightly. Don't worry if everything doesn't get mixed in. Just a light toss. And then we have garlic, and lots of garlic. So we have a little bit of chili, red chilies and crushed garlic in this bowl. We have bell peppers. We have more sliced garlic here. We'll need some oil, and then to finish off we have some parsley. So that's it, very simple. What we'll do is we'll cook the chilies and the garlic together, the crushed garlic, in oil. Then we'll put in mushrooms and let it cook for about 10 minutes. And then once it's done, we will finish it off with some garlic, sliced garlic, and then at the end we'll put in parsley. I want a little bit of gravy, so we'll most probably put a little bit of either chicken stock or vegetable stock. I don't know what I have, just to have that little bit of gravy in the mushroom. So that's it, very simple dish. Let's start cooking. Heated the pan. We'll put some oil, and then we'll add the crushed garlic and the peppers. We'll cook it in low for a few minutes. Till the garlic is soft. Add a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper. So this is homemade chicken stock. So we'll add a little bit of chicken stock to this. We'll bring it up to a boil. This has come to a boil. So we'll add the mushrooms. Then I want to toss it in the gravy. Season this with salt, and a little bit of pepper. Lower the heat to medium. Let this cook till the mushrooms are done. I'll cover this and cook it for about 5 to 7 minutes. 10 minutes are up. The mushrooms are done. We'll add the garlic. And then we'll turn this back up to high just to cook the harshness out of the fresh garlic that I just put. At this point you can add a little bit of flour if you want to thicken the gravy up. But I think I want to keep it the way it is, just reduce it a little bit and then serve it with a little bit of parsley. So I'll put half of this parsley at this point just to give a little bit of the parsley flavor. And then the rest I will put it on top. That's it. This is ready. Championess Al Ajilo is ready. This is from Spain. We have the mushroom. And then to finish it off, we'll pour some gravy on the top. And I had put some rice at the bottom. If you don't want rice, you can certainly serve it as is. And then to finish it off, we put a little bit of parsley. There you have it. Hope you liked the video. Short, sweet and beautiful. Very tasty. You can do it with shrimp as well. The recipe remains the same. Just change the mushrooms with shrimp. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bon appetit. And see you tomorrow on our Mediterranean.